This is our spray drying room. At different levels. So we have drying section, and we have a fan section which sucks the air, and exhausts the air. And there is an heater, and we have a filter, air inlet, and the sprayer and exhaust. So here external we have all level beams, and columns. So externally, for aesthetic look, we have given panels with a line structure. And we have the panels like each 1 meter. If you look outside, the building looks like this. These panels are fixed externally with the square tube pipes. Because of these steel materials, this was getting corrosion, and most of the places the screws are corroded, and some of the panels are getting loosened, and there are the chances of falling down. So these panels, there is a tendency of falling down due to the corroded screws and fasteners. It may fall down anytime due to the vibration of the fan. This fan is having a 200 HP motor which is coupled to this. This motor is generating a huge vibration, and any of your engineers can stand on this floor and measure, or vibrator analysis meter you can bring it and check. This is not a safe for your structural building also. That vibration is making to shake the complete structure panels, and it is may fall down. And last time when we have fixed here in this blower section, here we have fixed this portion, we have fixed 6 panels. The 6 panels got out because this work is under progress, and due to the Abbot's production, without finishing complete work, and we have taken up this starting of the mission. Then what happened, due to the high pressure, there was a high pressure inside the room. The high pressure is generated because of 60 degrees to 70 degrees temperature inside the room. This temperature is being raised because it is completely enclosed, and whatever the heat is generated by this 200 HP motor, as well as the hot line piping and all uninsulated, this is dissipating the heat and raising the temperature inside the room. Due to that, the panels are getting coming out because of the high pressure in the room. So to avoid this, we have to give proper ventilation, inlet air and outlet air for the room. This is the process ventilation. The process ventilation, we are taking a fresh air from outside and heating. The hot air is blowing and it is going out. This is the process air. And in the room conditioning, we may have to give inlet properly. Then we have to put exhaust fans. We have to put exhaust fans so that the room will be properly ventilated. There won't be any temperature raise as well as there won't be any pressure built. If there is no temperature raise, there won't be any pressure built. So I request to make a proper ventilation system for the entire area wherever the heat generation is there. Presently, I think this hot zone and as well as the fan zone, these two zones we can ventilate this system. Then we can go for the entire area. That is the first part. And the second part is the panels. Let us retain and remain this external design everything. We may have to do repair works externally. All the fasteners we may have to redo it entire area wherever it is there. All these external panels area, channels and U channels, C channels, L channels, there are so many fastening systems are there. That and all we may have to repair it, refix it. And if it is required, you want to paint white color paint, we can do the paint also for a better look or new look. That is the external part. Internally, you can go with a paneling of the room, because in a clean room, I observed in the change rooms, you are doing a lot of cleaning processes and all, hand wash, and you do gowning, so much care you are taking. When you enter to this room, there is no air circulation, there is no clean room, and you have a lot of steps inside the room. We have beams projecting inside the rooms, and there is a chances of dust laying here and there, and that may add to your room also. And wall partitions also are inside. So that and all we can make a internal one layer of panels completely. If you go inside the room, if you see inside the room, we can make one full panels so that we can maintain the surfaces of the wall surfaces cleanliness. And the AHU system also we will introduce, supply air and exhaust air. With filters, so that you will have a clean air as well. You will have the clean surfaces.